Right now, there is a biological engine inside your abdomen performing over 500 concurrent functions. It is simultaneously filtering out toxins, synthesizing structural proteins, and managing your entire energy supply. Extreme efficiency hides a dangerous flaw. Because your liver is so capable, it easily compensates for early cellular damage without triggering pain receptors. It fails silently, masking deep metabolic dysfunction until the damage is severe. 3 specific antagonists jam this engine every day. We subject it to social jet lag, we starve it of water, and flood it with liquid fructose. Your liver can process a single bad 24-hour cycle without you noticing a thing, but repeating that disrupted cycle for 20 years compounds the cellular stress into irreversible chronic disease. The liver's daily cycle starts the moment you wake up. Acting as a massive glucose reservoir, it waits for insulin signals to decide whether to release stored fuel into your bloodstream or pack new calories away for later. Consuming liquid fructose and alcohol early in the day bypasses the body's normal satiety signals. This sends a massive wave of energy into the liver all at once, completely overwhelming its processing capacity. This chart shows the metabolic consequence of that overload. The liver breaks down that rapid influx of fructose and in the process generates toxic uric acid. That uric acid bottleneck acts as a physical barrier, shutting down the pathway for fat oxidation. Because the liver can no longer burn energy, it packs the excess calories into your abdomen as inflammatory visceral fat. A standard morning of refined carbs and sweet liquids programs the liver to hoard fat instead of burning energy for the rest of the day. As digestion continues, the liver coordinates directly with your intestines, secreting bile acids to dismantle dietary fats. This creates a continuous two-way circuit. Your gut microbiome takes those bile acids, modifies them, and sends chemical signals right back up to the liver. Those returning signals bind to specific FXR receptors inside the liver. This acts as a chemical instruction manual, dictating how the liver handles circulating glucose and lipids. A help from your gut bacteria. If an inflamed microbiome sends confused signals, the liver follows orders and stores more fat. When the sun goes down, the liver switches gears, relying on a strict internal timer governed by hepatic circadian clock genes. In a healthy nocturnal sequence, your cortisol levels drop and melatonin rises. The liver enters a mandatory fasting state, where it purges the lipids it accumulated during the day and repairs damaged cells. Late-night eating and inconsistent sleep introduce social jet lag. This artificial schedule desynchronizes the liver's internal clock from the master clock in your brain. The chemical fallout is immediate. Short-chain fatty acid production in the gut halts, and without those signals, the liver is physically unable to transition into its detox phase. Missing your biological sleep window cancels your liver's only repair shift, trapping the organ in a state of chronic inflammation. To unjam this system, start with hydration. Water is the universal biological solvent your liver requires to maintain cellular balance and flush out metabolic waste. Next, apply the principles of nutritional chronotherapy. Specifically, time-restricted feeding serves as the primary tool to recalibrate the liver's cycle. Consolidating your meals into this feeding window aligns your calorie intake with your liver's active daytime phase. This guarantees your liver has the uninterrupted fasting hours it needs to empty fat stores overnight. Within that window, eliminating alcohol and refined liquid fructose directly reduces the cellular strain, lowering inflammatory ALT liver enzymes. You then actively defend those cells by adding nutrient-dense compounds like black coffee and cruciferous vegetables, which provide the raw materials needed for detoxification. These protocols function as a biological sync mechanism designed to restore your metabolism to its natural evolutionary rhythm. Your health relies on securing these 3 phases: managing daytime fuel without fructose overloads, protecting gut signaling pathways, and guaranteeing the nighttime repair shift. When your liver operates cleanly through this 24-hour cycle, you clear brain fog, stabilize daily energy, and improve your long-term longevity. Look at your own habits. Which silent signs of metabolic dysfunction, persistent fatigue, mid-afternoon brain fog, or stubborn visceral fat are you currently experiencing in your own life? The damage may be silent, but it is reversible. Taking control of your daily 24-hour cycle is the most powerful way to take control of your entire lifespan. Right now, there is a biological